Meet your new favorite upgrade for outdoor power equipment. These sleek black plastic oil tank caps feature a durable matte finish and ergonomic textured grip for easy handling. Designed as direct replacements for P541 and P545 models, they provide perfect sealing protection against dust, debris, and leaks while maintaining that factory-fresh look. Installation is tool-free and instant. Just snap them on and you're done. Keep your machinery running smoothly with these high-quality, affordable covers that blend seamlessly with your equipment's design. Scan the QR code in the upper right corner to check current prices and delivery options. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more practical gear reviews and smart finds. Key specs include universal P541, P545 compatibility, pack of 2 pieces, all plastic construction, and OEM part number 308900.